Apple Invites is a new app from Apple for creating digital invitations for events you're planning to host. These could be parties, movie nights, prayer meetings, anything you can think of. It is available to all iCloud subscribers, but everyone else, including Android users, can only accept invitations they receive. If you want the ability to create invitations that you can send out, then you need an iCloud subscription. Apple Invites is available for iPhones running iOS 18. You can download it from the App Store, even on the iPad. But it's definitely not designed for the iPad. The web app is accessible on any device, so that's how Android and Windows users will be able to accept invitations. Everything happens on one screen. The app has a minimalist design that makes it very intuitive to use. You can see all the events that are lined up for you under upcoming. These are the events you're going to attend, and the ones you're hosting are clearly marked. You can also see past events, drafts, which are the events you're still working on, those you are hosting, and those you are simply attending. Each event occupies its own space with a summary of what the event is about, when it is, and other important information you'll need. The only problem with this setup is that even when you have multiple events in a single day, each occupies a separate space. It would have been nice if those got grouped according to dates on a single screen. Simply tap an event to see more details if you need them. The profile information is your Apple account. You can turn on push notifications, and usually I have these turned off. But since this is a new app, we need to study how these work before we turn them off. But I'm still going to turn off notifications from Apple because I'm not that eager. You can also opt for email updates, but phone notifications are probably easier than going through your email.